In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Cs2 trading errors, specifically when your inventory seems unavailable. If you've ever struggled with this issue, don't worry, we'll get you back up and running in just a few minutes. To begin, let's ensure that you're properly logged out of Steam. Believe it or not, simply exiting the application can help reset any stuck processes or connections that might be causing the error. To do this, click on the Steam menu located at the top of your app and select Exit. However, if you prefer a quicker method, you can right-click on the Steam icon in your computer's taskbar and choose Exit directly from there. This step is crucial because it guarantees that Steam is fully shut down, as sometimes background processes tend to linger and create issues. Once you've successfully exited Steam, go ahead and log back in. Although this seems like a very basic step, it can be surprisingly effective. Logging out and back into the service helps refresh your connection to Steam servers and may resolve any temporary glitches that are disrupting your inventory access. Next, it's important to check the status of Steam servers. This can easily be done by visiting steamstats.com. Here, you can quickly determine if servers in your region are experiencing any downtime or issues. Sometimes, what appears to be a personal error is actually part of a broader issue affecting many users simultaneously. If you discover that the servers are indeed down, a little patience might be required until the service is fully restored. Besides, it's useful to note that the Steam market and trading systems can experience slowdowns, particularly during peak times or when there's a significant influx of requests. This scenario is not uncommon and usually resolves itself relatively quickly. Keeping an eye on community forums or Steam's official social media channels can also offer insights when these issues are widespread. To recap, the key steps to resolve the Cs2 trading errors in your Steam inventory involve exiting and restarting Steam to refresh your connection, verifying the status of Steam servers through steamstats.com, and staying informed about any general service interruptions. By following these steps, most inventory errors can be quickly addressed, allowing you to get back to your gaming without significant delay. I hope this guide has been helpful for you today. If you encounter any persistent issues even after following these steps, consider reaching out to Steam support for more personalized assistance. Thank you for watching, and happy gaming!